Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a room tour of my room and actually like my whole apartment because I'm moving into a condo like very soon, and it's just gonna be me and I'm not gonna have roommates anymore, which is so exciting. I can't wait until I live by myself and then just buy furniture and then decorate it and renovate the whole entire place and just do whatever I want, and you know, just that is just so exciting. But I'm gonna leave my apartment, which I really love. I really loved living here, and it's like my home. So it's really not decorated or anything like that, but I have like my stuff here, and I just wanted to give you guys a tour. I don't really have much stuff in here because the apartment came furnished, but I'm just gonna show you guys where I used to live, where I live right now, soon to be where I used to live because I'm moving into a condo. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and I can't wait to show you guys what my new condo is gonna look like. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my college apartment. But like, it's more of like, it feels like a dorm honestly, but it's fine.
And it goes a little something like
Okay, so I'll start from here. This is the hallway, and then you come in through the front door, and then this is the refrigerator. I have like some of my magnets on here from like where I was in Paris and New York and Barcelona, but like all my Europe trips, I don't know where the magnets went, and like most of the places I went to, I didn't really get that many magnets because I was always in a rush. But I have like my favorite cities like Paris, and I have that from New York, and all these from Paris and then New York, because I originally wanted to move to Paris before I moved to the US. But yeah, and then I have my protein shake and oatmeal. And I really don't want to show you guys the refrigerator because like it's hectic, but I'm just gonna show it to you because it's always like super full and like there's always no space. And usually like I get my takeouts and I put them on that shelf, and then there are like other foods that, but like no one here cooks. So then this is the oopsies, this is the freezer. As you can tell, the freezer is also super packed. Oh my god. I'll just deal with this later. And then, so yeah, that's our freezer. We also have like a lot of food in here. Nothing ever fits, so I'm just gonna put that here and then close it like super fast. So yeah, that's how we close our refrigerator. But anyways, so that's our toaster, and that's our coffee maker, and that's our olive oil and some coffee. I don't really drink coffee, but my roommates do, so they have that over there. And then we have the dishwasher in here, and then here we have some stuff and more snacks and stuff, and then also that's also filled up. And here we have like cups, pots, and some Tupperware. And then this is actually like a really messy one, but we have like all those in there, like protein powders and olive oil, and like the pastas are up there, and some like seasonings and all that. And oh my god, and this is like a snack that I got from Ethiopia like 2 years ago. I think it might have been 3 now, but I never really ate it. So, but it's really good. I just never really thought about eating it. But that's kind of like my favorite. Oh yeah, we needed to change this, but I'll just change it later. And that's the sink. And then we have like the washing things, like the soaps and everything. And that's the washer, and that's where we dry our, that's where we dry everything. And then those are the knives and the scissors. My roommate was probably drinking this last night, but yeah, that's that. And that's our blender. There's bread and everything, and that's this is the oven. And then this is where we cook everything. And then those are the seasonings. And then that's the microwave. And then in here we used to have like plates and glasses and everything, but I guess my roommate, we're moving out in like 2 weeks, so I guess like she took it out. And then we have that up there. We have like extra stuff. And then in here we have more stuff. And then this is our Keurig. And we have all the silverware in here. And then some more stuff in there. And then this is the TV area. That's like grocery shopping that I have to like unpack. And this is a flower I got for Valentine's Day, which was like a long time ago. But really, I just kept it even after like it dried and everything because I thought it was really pretty. And I never really liked flowers, or like they really didn't mean anything to me before. But these ones are just so nice, and the fact that they were real, I don't know. Even like there's no water and they're still, I mean they're dry, but like they're still here. But yeah. And this is my roommate's room right there, and that's her stuff whenever she throws a party, I guess, like that's what they use. That's our little shot corner, and that's our speaker. And this is the living room. We really don't have much stuff here, but these are like my favorite blankets. They're so soft, and like especially this one has an elephant on it, and it's really cute. And then this is the balcony, aka my favorite part of my apartment. So I spend like a lot of time out here because like I can't really live in an apartment where there is no balcony. So this is like my favorite spot to like maybe read, or I used to study out here, I eat dinner out here. I used to use that table. And then I just like sit here and just honestly I just love this space. It's so perfect. And I feel like the only reason I really started living here is because of the balcony and because of the sunset. We always see the sunset from home. And this is the apartment from the balcony. So this is us coming in from the balcony. And then we have that dining table, or like a kitchen table. And we have like, we used to have more stuff in there, but I guess because it's move out week, they're almost all gone. And this is where the washer and dryer is. We have that in there, and then we have some cleaning stuff in there. And then that's some groceries that I did a few days ago. And then we have salt and pepper, and then the candle, it's almost out. And then this way, this is my roommate's bathroom, and this is room. I don't think she's here, so like I'm probably not gonna show you what the rooms look like, but wait, let me just turn the light on. But yeah, this is what the apartment looks like when the sun's about to set and then you turn the lights on. And then we have that over there. And then this is the little hallway to go to my room. But before we get into my room, I got 2 extra rooms. So this is the bathroom, an extra bathroom. I use it as a storage. That's my pull-up bar, and I never used it. I used it for like 2 weeks and then I forgot about it because it was in this room. But I guess I'm gonna use it more. And then this is just where I put all the stuff that doesn't fit in my room. And this is like my cream that I use. And then this is the bathroom that, oh, I have more magnets Over here from Paris, New York, and Madrid. Let me see if I have some on the other side. Nope. Anyways, yeah, so this is what this part looks like. No one really uses this bathroom as a bathroom. And then we have this other room here, which is just like my storage room, basically. Most of the stuff that's in here are just my shopping bags, and then more shopping bags and my bikinis that I've been trying out, and then some lamps, and then more luggages, and then my yoga mat, and some more like boxes up there, and all of that. And then from this room, we come into my room. So this is what my room looks like. That's my wall, but like obviously there are pictures that came off the wall, but before it was fuller, and I had like all the stuff up here, like my pictures, and I used to put on whatever makes me happy and all the things that I like, and yeah. And then that's the view. I have the same view, just like the balcony. And then I can't really open this all the way. That's how much I can open the window, which is good for just air, for just some fresh air. And then I have that, be inspired, be your own, your energy. I just like to have that in my room. And then these are some pictures that fell off the wall. This was like a picture I took in, I think it was in Italy. They had like the best croissants I've ever had in my life, and they were all like super cheap, like €1 or something like that, or maybe less, I don't know. And that's my mirror, and I usually take a picture before I go to bed, and every time I wake up, if you follow my Instagram, this is where I take my morning and goodnight pictures. And then there's my TV behind there, which I never use. And then that's my ring light. I sometimes use it to make TikToks. And then I have my backpack, and then I have some stuff in here. That's my phone. And usually my desk is pretty clear, but just because school is over, I just have some extra stuff on there. But yeah, this is the water bottle I got at Gary. I kind of like this one. I've never really used it, but it's really pretty. And then also, this is the candle I got from Gary. It smells really good. I have my keys, and I have my bags on here. And then I have that over here. I used to have a picture over here. I wonder where it went. But yeah, these are like some happy moments and just my favorite. And that's the mirror I have. It used to be on over here, like that. And then one time I felt like it was gonna fall off. So I just decided to just leave it next to me like that, because I didn't want it to hit my head. And then this is a perfume one of my good friends gave me. It's kind of nice how you open it. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. Oh yeah, there you go. And it actually smelled really good, but I never really used it. But it was a really nice gift. And I got my AirPods and my planner right there, and this is what I use to light up my candles. There we go. And then I have another small mirror over here. This used to be my little study area. I mean, it still is. When I need to study, I just clear the table. And then whenever the sun is about to set, the one thing I love about this room is like the sunset makes the room look so aesthetic. And I can take like a lot of pictures in here and all that. And also I have that chair from, I don't remember where I got it from, but I love that chair. And then this is my closet. It's a little bit messy. but I kind of have like most of my stuff in here, and the other stuff is in a bag in the other room. Since I'm moving out soon, I'm not even gonna bother and rearrange it. I'm just gonna let it be. And then from the closet to here is my bathroom. Okay, like that thing fell off yesterday, but it used to be like up here. Oh no. It used to be up here like that, but I kind of also like it that way. So I'm just gonna let it be. And then that's a gift from one of my friends. They got it for me from Miami, and I like it. And so when you get into the bathroom, this is what the bathroom looks like. And then this is my shower. I really love my shower because I have this Bluetooth speaker, and like I can just connect my phone and play music, and it's really loud, and I really love it. I love spending time in the shower. If you follow my Instagram, you see me posting pictures in the shower like all the time. And then I have that over there, and then some more stuff down here. I don't really use most of this, but I just have it because, you know. And then that's the mirror, and I got this in Hawaii. My sister bought it and I took it from her because I didn't get to buy one. And yeah, this is what the room looks like. And the sun is about to set, so I'm probably just gonna sit outside, watch the sunset, and maybe read a book or edit my videos, or just plan what I'm gonna do next. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do another tour once I move into my condo, when I get it furnished and everything is done in there. Yeah, that's super exciting. And then and yeah, move out week is in like 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, it's probably in 2 weeks. I'm not looking forward to it because I hate it when I always have to move out on July 31st. It just gives me anxiety, and I just hate being homeless for 2 weeks every year. And yeah, I can't wait for that to end soon. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching.